Okay, I emptied my fridge out. Now I'm about to dismantle all the shelves so that I can access the back panel there. Okay, I was trying to figure out how to take out these bottom shelves, but I finally realized there's screws in here, so I had to take out each one of these. And then by doing so, you'll notice that you can actually take out this upper unit, and then here, it's probably here. You'll see that these bottom kind of support things come off too. Okay, I finally got this back panel off. I'm not taking it off completely because it's electrically hooked up, but you can kind of see where the water is leaking and the ice is forming here, which is what I'm going to remove. This is the water that's pooling. Just to give you a sense of how much water's in here. Where's the drain? There's the drain hole. So you can see all this water. Looks like it's dripping from here up here. Anyways, it should be draining, defrosting going down there. I've been pouring hot water to get rid of any other ice, and it's just about done, just a tiny bit. Okay, I put the panel back. I cleaned everything up. You can see there's no more water here. I am going to start putting the 3 screws back, 2 here, 1 up there, and another one here. Actually more than 3.